Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your environment. Log into Dune and connect a Web3 wallet like MetaMask. Once connected, make sure you selected the correct network, Ethereum mainnet, or the Layer 2 you need, because queries target chain-specific tables. Then choose whether you'll use read-only queries or grant permissions for saved queries. Read-only is safer for exploration. This gets you immediately into the query editor and dataset browser, so you can run live SQL against blockchain tables without delay. You now build and run a query inside Dune's editor. Start by inspecting schemas to find relevant tables, events, transactions, traces, then write SQL that selects fields, joins tables, and filters by block range or address. Once done, run the query and watch results stream in. Use limit while developing to save time. Make sure to add clear column aliases for visualization later. After you get the raw output, refine aggregations and group by clauses so the data reflects the metrics you finish by transforming results into visuals. Pick a chart type, map columns to axes, and adjust time bins or scales for clarity. Once satisfied, save the query and add it to a dashboard and set an automatic refresh if you need up-to-date metrics. If things go wrong, check for schema changes or rename tables, increase limit to ensure full result sets, and verify you use the exact address casing and block ranges. Finally, document assumptions in the query description for future reviewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.